What is it? What? You seem a little weirded out. Are you okay? Are you worried about something? What? Is Daddy's waste making a funny noise now and you don't like it? It sounds too much like an air compressor. Are you okay? What, baby? What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, what is it? Are you okay? Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Zuzu, come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Zuzu, it's Daddy. Zuzu, it's okay. It's just my fan. See? It's just my fan. Can you see? Come here. Come here. I'll show you. See, it feels good. It feels good. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? It feels good. Oh, it feels so good on Daddy's face. Here. Daddy put it on his face. You want to feel it? You want to feel it? See? Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, what a good girl. She's so brave. She's so brave. See? It's nothing to be afraid of. It just makes air. So there you go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, it's just a fan. It's just a fan. It's just it's just a fan. It's just a fan. It's okay. What if I turn it off? What if I turn it off? Is that better? Is that okay? Can you love me now? Can you love me now? You can love me now? You're so afraid of moving air, and I don't know why. You don't like air compressors? You don't like new fans? Why is that? Why? Are you crazy? I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Are you crazy? You're a little crazy. Hey, even if you're crazy, I love you. Because you're my girl.